Do you suffer with insomnia and take a long time to fall asleep? Then watch this video until the end for you to learn a powerful tea that can make you sleep very fast, because it really calms down too. And among the main benefits of this tea that treats insomnia, we can highlight that it is very good to calm down, it makes you sleep, it improves anxiety, fights stress, relaxes the muscles and calms the mind, literally. So, let's start making the tea. And to make this tea, we will use the peel of half an orange. You can wash the orange peel well before. And I am going to take this opportunity to pass on a message that is in Isaiah 41:10. Do not be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be afraid, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will hold you with my victorious right hand. In other words, when we follow God with all our hearts, He takes care of us and protects us. We need not be afraid, because God is powerful to lead us to victory. I'll get the pot here. We're going to use 500 ml of water. I've already separated it, so I'll put here the orange peel. Next ingredient will be the fennel. And we're going to use a teaspoon, very shallow, of fennel. This one is responsible for calming down a lot and fighting anxiety, and has several benefits. It's rosemary. You don't need to put a big amount, you can put just a shallow spoon. I'll put some to warm up our tea. And now I'll put a lid on it to boil it quickly. Well, folks, so the tea here has already boiled, and as soon as it started boiling I waited a minute, left it for more than a minute and a half or so, and turned off the heat. So now I'm going to strain it. Folks, if you are new around here, comment on the city you are watching us in. The best time for you to take it is after you arrive at work, on average 6 o'clock. You take it, for example, before 6 o'clock. Because its effect will really only be good after 6 o'clock, because it will already stimulate your sleep. It will really relax your muscles and your body. So that was today's tip. I hope you liked it. I will stop here. See you in the next video. Bye.